Ayan, so, gumawa tayo ng isang login system using the GUI or user interface. So, kaya natin siya. So, first, we need to register. So, let's say ang username is Ayana. The password is kayo na pong bahala kung anong klase ng password ang nilalagay. And then, I'm going to choose Hollywood in USA. Then set your birth date according to your birth date. So, let's say on 2004. And click register. So, registration successful na siya. Then, okay. Then, let's say, nagkamali tayo ng input. Let's say, ayan, kung mali-mali yung mga nilagay natin. So, nilalabas na invalid username or password. So, we need dapat na tama yung nilalagay natin username and password. So, after natin ilagin yan, login successful, and then after we click OK, lalabas na yung mga details natin. So, we have username, the address, the country, date of birth, and the current time. Then, pag click natin log out, are you sure you want to log out, and then click yes. So, babalik ulit kayo dun sa system. So, that's it. Thank you.